Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Finance Clinic, the place where we empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic: how to improve your personal credit score. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our insights. Let's get started. Understanding the importance of credit scores. Before we dive into the strategies, let's understand why your credit score is so important. In the UK, your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, and it plays a vital role in various aspects of your financial life, from securing loans to getting favorable interest rates. Any major financial decision, such as getting a mortgage on your home, will be impacted directly by your credit score. In the UK, credit reference agencies compile information on how well you manage credit and make payments, known as your credit report or credit file. They contain a list of all your credit accounts, such as any credit cards, loans and overdrafts, and how much you currently owe. Your credit score is then calculated based on this personal data. If you apply to a bank or a lender, they'll usually run a credit check so they can view this history to work out how risky you are to lend to. This check will often affect the interest rate you get, your monthly payment, and how much they'll let you borrow, or if you'll even be accepted for that credit card or loan. The most recent information on your report will have the most impact because lenders will be most interested in your current financial situation. But if you do have a bad history of paying debts, this will also play an important role in the end decision of the lender. Generally, there are two types of checks lenders can do when you apply for credit: hard and soft. Soft credit checks don't affect your credit score. These are usually used by lenders or comparison sites to check your eligibility for a loan, as an example, before applying, to indicate if your application will be successful and likelihood of success. Hard credit checks could affect your credit score and are considered digital footprints on your credit score. These are used when you apply for credit and will show up on your credit report. Too many in a short space of time could negatively impact your credit score, so always be mindful of this. Avoid making too many applications for products such as credit cards or loans in a short space of time. Find out if it's likely you'll be accepted first by doing soft searches. Now, let's explore ways to boost that score. Tip 1. Checking your credit report. The first step on our journey to a healthier credit score is checking your credit report. In the UK, you're entitled to a free credit report annually from agencies like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Review your report carefully, checking for any inaccuracies, and dispute them if necessary. It is important that any errors on your credit report, such as incorrect personal information or accounts belonging to another individual, are resolved and corrected immediately, as it can take a lot of time and effort to resolve. A clean and error-free report is the foundation for a strong credit score. Tip 2. Paying bills on time. One of the most impactful factors on your credit score is your payment history. Timely payments are the cornerstone of a good credit score. Set up direct debits or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistent, on-time payments build a positive credit history and show lenders that you're a responsible borrower. A history of late or non-payments shows the opposite, and that you pose a risk to any bank or lender. Tip 3. Reducing credit card balances. Next up, let's talk about credit card balances. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit can negatively impact your score. Aim to keep your credit card balances low, ideally below 30% of your credit limit, and ensure you're paying down your credit card each month. As an example, if you have a credit card limit of £5,000, you want to ensure the credit balance is below £1,500 at any point in time. Paying down balances not only improves your credit score, but also saves you money on interest. Tip 4. Avoid opening too many new accounts. While it might be tempting to open new credit accounts, doing so can have a short-term negative impact on your credit score as it leaves a mark on your credit report. Each new application generates a hard inquiry. Instead, focus on managing your existing credit responsibly. It's about quality, not quantity. Tip 5. Registering on the electoral roll. A lesser-known but impactful strategy is registering on the electoral roll, as it acts as a proof of address. Lenders use this information to verify your identity and address. Being on the electoral roll adds credibility to your profile, positively influencing your credit score. It's a simple step with significant benefits. Tip 6. Reviewing financial associations. Reviewing your financial associations is another crucial step. If you're linked to someone with a poor credit history, it can impact your score. Ensure that you sever any financial connections with individuals whose credit behavior could be dragging down your score. Tip 7. Building a credit history. Building a positive credit history takes time, and having a mix of credit types can be beneficial, such as a mortgage, credit cards, personal loans. If you're new to credit, consider getting a credit card or a small loan to start establishing your credit history. Managing various types of credit responsibly demonstrates financial versatility to lenders. Tip 8. Keep old accounts open. Keeping old accounts open is important. The length of your credit history matters, and therefore, keeping these accounts open demonstrates a positive credit history, which directly impacts your credit score. Even if those accounts have limited or zero balances, keep them open. Tip 9. Utilizing credit builder products. In the UK, there are specific products designed to help you build or rebuild your credit. Credit builder credit cards and similar financial products can be valuable tools on your credit improvement journey. Research and choose products that suit your financial goals and situation. And there you have it, a guide on improving your credit score in the UK. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of your financial responsibility, and taking steps to enhance it opens doors to better financial opportunities. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts or questions.